waking up, you guys. Right now it is July 5th. It's Thursday. I'm headed off to Disneyland. Adelaine and I were supposed to go to Disneyland at 7 a.m. this morning, but Adelaine didn't leave her house until like 8:30 a.m. I'm on my way right now. I waited like 5 minutes because I think I'm a little bit ahead of her. And then later today, we are going to Target. We're gonna get some back to school supplies, and we are gonna do a giveaway. I think the giveaway is going to be in a separate video, but today we are going back to school shopping because you guys know it's July. July is back to school season on YouTube because everyone and their mom is like 2 months early when it comes to back to school. Also, if you guys are interested in the back to school giveaway, make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and then also like up this video and let me know down below when you guys actually go back to school. I just want to make sure that the giveaway ends before a ton of people start school. And I think this year we're gonna have more than just one winner. I think we might have 2, maybe 3, but I gotta go now because Adelaine is gonna get mad at me if I'm super late.
Zoe, I gotta leave you here for a little bit. I'm sorry. Are you gonna be okay? I'm gonna test it out. I'm gonna let Zoe out of her crate today, and I'm kind of scared. She has a really tiny bladder, so she can't really hold in her pee. Let me know if any of you guys have a French bulldog. All right, before I can go, I forgot I need to get my ears, and I don't know where any of my ears are. Oh no. Oh, I found them. I guess I don't need ears. Should I do silver? This guy, or this guy? I don't know. I don't want any of them. I'll bring the silver ears.
A little later.
I just got to Pixar Pier. Oh my gosh, they just changed everything. It looks so freaking cool. Wait, I lost everyone. Oh no, where's everyone? Oh, they're doing a Wall-E one. That's so cute. They have a Sully tail. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yes.
You guys don't know this, but Sully's one of my favorite characters. Oh.
We love an ice cream queen. Work ice cream queen. Ice cream queen. Something, something, only 23. You're 23, right? What? You're only 25.
We're waiting in line to meet Sully. I'm so excited.
Much later.
Target! Woo! Oh my god, look at that long line of carts. Whoa. All right, so a little update. I'm currently at Target right now. Disneyland was super fun, but super hot, so I left around like 2 p.m. I just took Meg and Stevie home, and we had the top down in the convertible, and my hair looks crazy. So first step at Target is we are gonna go find a brush. Look at this hair. Look at this hair. What's going on? It looks crazy. All right, so I'm buying myself a wet brush, and I convinced another girl to get a wet brush as well. She was like looking at it and then put it down. I was like, no, girl, you need to get these. Wet brushes are so good for your hair. Oh, wet brushes are so nice. This one's pulling at my hair a little bit because I have a ton of tangles, but normally it's not pulling at all. All right, we are in the Target school supply section. I'm not gonna lie, there isn't a ton here. I know it's really early for back to school shopping, but I really wanna get stuff for you guys before the school year starts. So we're just gonna have to go with the flow and grab some stuff here, and then maybe I'll go to another Target and then get more stuff. Good.
Your hair is so beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
I was looking for the glue.
I think it's down there to the left or right. You're welcome. Should I get this? Should I not? I feel like I should ask you guys on Instagram what I should get because I feel like my style might not be everyone's style. This is so cute. So I don't want to buy one for myself. I really don't need it. Okay, I found the perfect binder for you guys. This is so cute. Oh my god. I'm also assuming a lot of you guys are 14, and I would totally want this at 14 years old. So we're doing a second binder, and this one is so cute, and we're gonna get this one for you guys. Can someone tell me what these mini binders are for? Are they for like photos? Do people actually use this for school? Like, is this a school requirement? Like, look how much tinier it is than a regular binder. But what do people use this for? Because I see so many of them here, and they're super cute. Like, should I get one for you guys as well? Definitely need some notebook paper. College ruled, of course.
Okay, real question. Oh, I was gonna be like, why is this 18 for $4.39 and this is 12 for $4.59? That makes no sense why these are way more expensive than these ones when this has 6 more. But I get it now because this has the clicky pen and this is like the one where you have to like take the top off. Should I get you guys the one with 18 or 12? I'll just do one of each. We're doing one of each. The colors are so cute. I'd almost eat this if I didn't know this was a stapler. Like as a kid, I would have totally ate this. All right guys, so this is everything we're getting today. This is everything. Oh my gosh, I organized it just so I can see everything that I'm getting you guys, and I'm so excited. There's actually more stuff I'm gonna buy for you guys later on, but for now, this is everything I'm gonna get from Target for you guys. I think that was a success. We got everything that we needed. I have more at home, so we're gonna do that later. And we're gonna check out now. So I'm so excited about this video, so make sure you guys stay tuned for it. I think it's gonna happen next week. I'm gonna separate them because I still need to buy a ton more stuff for you guys, so I'm not ready for the giveaway yet, but it's gonna happen really soon. All right, let's see what the damage is. The total is $138.52. It says I'm recording. Hi guys. Gotta grab the goods. All right, we have everything. All right, so I don't think I got anything for myself other than the brush, but that was a huge success. But I have a ton of makeup that I wanna give you guys, and I'm thinking about also buying maybe a backpack and then an iPad for someone. I don't know if I wanna have one big prize and then one smaller prize. Oh my god, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot, it's hot. Whew. All right guys, we are on our way to go home and see Zoe. All right, we're on our way to see Zoe. It's unsafe to drive with my camera on since I don't have like a little tripod for it for the car. So I'm gonna turn you guys off, and the next scene you guys will see is me with Zoe Bear.
Moments later.
Hi baby. Oh my goodness, did you miss me? Oh, you're so cute. Look at you. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see, I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. The avocado tree is sprouting avocados. They're almost ready to eat. I think I need to wait like another month or two and then I can start picking them. Oh, you're so excited to see Mama. Hi, hi. What are you doing? You probably can't see this, but look at these giant avocados. Look at this. This is the size of my entire hand. This one I think is even bigger than that one. This one is gonna be such a good avocado. Like, can you guys see this? I don't know about you guys, but avocados in Los Angeles are like $2, sometimes $3. And there are so many avocados I can see. There's one right there. I feel like I have like $500 worth of avocados on this avocado tree. So if I have friends out there that are watching this and you guys want some avocados, let me know, because I don't know what to do with all these avocados. I'm gonna be giving them to my neighbors, my friends, my family, literally everyone, anyone, strangers. I'm probably gonna pick avocados and just like hand them out at supermarkets because I feel like I don't want them to go bad. From what I've heard, they're really good avocados. The neighborhood knows about these avocados, so I'm excited about it.
The next morning.
Hey guys, so it's the next day right now. It's July 6th. I'm currently at Lauren's house. We're having like a girls' day inside. It's 104 degrees in LA right now. So we're all at the pool just hanging out. Everyone's here. Oh, it feels like a sauna outside. It's so hot. Oh my god, you look so cute, Ram. Oh, it's almost like when you copied mine. Oh, Mia's here. Hola. Lauren's here. You guys, look how fit Lauren is. You're so fit. Yes, yes, yes. It's yes. No, it's all the hard work she's doing.
Oh my god, yeah, that too.